Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these farm animal cupcakes. They are super easy to make, only using sugar paste, sometimes known as fondant. No special tools are required and they are great to make with your children. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So to begin with, I used a circle cutter the same size as my cupcake and cut out some green sugar paste and some blue sugar paste that's mixed with white, not fully, just to look like sky, and then the green to look like grass. I cut out the circles and then cut them in half, so the lower part could be grass and then the top part could be the sky. I then use a little bit of buttercream, or you could use jam, to stick these on top of the cupcake. So to make the pig, I just used pink and black sugar paste. To make the pig's body, I rolled a piece of pink fondant into a ball and then flattened it slightly. And you can use your finger just to smooth it off. This then goes on top of your cupcake. It should stick, but if not, you could always use a little bit of water. Take a tiny piece of pink sugar paste and roll it into a tube, slightly tapered at one end. Stick this onto the top of your circle and gently curve it over. This is your pig's tail. Next, take 2 small pieces of pink sugar paste and form them into tubes. Stick these onto your cupcake to be the pig's legs. To make the pig's head, you want a piece of sugar paste about half the size of what you use for the body. Roll it into a ball, then form it into a flat disc again and place it on top of the body in the middle. To make the ears, form 2 small pieces of pink sugar paste into triangles and then stick them into position. Next, roll a small piece of pink sugar paste into a ball and stick it into the middle of the face. This is the nose. Flatten it with your finger and then use a cocktail stick or something pointy just to mark in the nostrils. Lastly, make the eyes by forming 2 tiny pieces of black sugar paste into balls and then placing them in position. And that's your pig cupcake made. To make the sheep, I use white and black sugar paste. For the body, I used a wavy edge cutter, but you could use a round cutter or even just a flattened ball into a disc like you did for the pig. Stick this onto your cupcake, making sure you've got room at the bottom for legs. If you have used a wavy edge cutter, you make sure that you've got the little indents in the right place for the legs. Make the head by forming some black sugar paste into a bean shape, which is slightly smaller at one end. Stick this onto the body slightly above the centre. Next, take 4 small pieces of black fondant and roll them into little tubes. Stick 2 of them underneath the body to be the legs. Flatten the top of the next 2 and stick them either side of the head for the ears. Roll some white sugar paste into small balls and stick them on top of the head. Keep going until you have gone all the way across the head. I needed 3, as you can see. Then just repeat with a second layer. Roll 2 smaller balls of white sugar paste and stick them onto the face for eyes, and then repeat with 2 smaller balls of black sugar paste and stick them in the middle of the eyes. Flatten with your fingers. And that's your sheep cupcake made. I really hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to check out some of my other ones, and please comment, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.